Klaus Schwab, the former chair and the founder of the World Economic Forum, has been working with China and Xi from 1978, I believe, was when they first got together. And they started implementing all of these social programs over in China. The credit score, what they're going to use is a social credit score, so they can be able to take away your money. They're going to be able to track you with everything. There's going to be cameras everywhere, not as if there isn't already. We already film ourselves. We're already able to be tracked through cell phones. That was from the CIA in the 1980s. That was with China. I believe it was Nokia. They developed all these things, and they presented them to you with the idea that you could use them to help better your life, when really all we ended up doing with them is imprisoning ourselves with them. We made our world, well, it was supposed to make it bigger and bigger and bigger, and really it just made it smaller and smaller and smaller. We don't go out and interact with anybody anymore. We don't go out and do the things that we used to. And in the end, they want to separate us completely. The internet gives us this disassociative sense, because you're really not attached to people on the internet like you are when you're acting with them individually. It's just not the same. I was actually watching a video earlier from the class of 1998, before cell phones, and how much fun they were having, talking to each other, interacting with each other. And it just looked like they had so much freedom. And we've already given up so much of it. We've given up so much of it to these devices. You know, we really truly had freedom before, and we thought these things, or at least they were presented to us, and we believed that they were going to make us more free, and they were going to help to better our lives. And really, how much better is it? Is it truly better? I guess it's just how you calculate it. I guess it's just a perspective. I don't truly believe that they are. But I know that in the end, they're going to use AI to enslave the population. Everything is going to be written down in algorithms, and there's not going to be any humanity involved. It's going to be sheer scientific calculation, mathematical calculation as to whether you're going to do this or whether you're going to do that. Judgments are going to be swift, and they're going to be strict. There's not going to be any humanity involved there. Mercy is going to be a thing of the past, because if the only thing that matters is to serve the power, then mercy to the human being, mercy to the individual is pointless. It will not exist.